Welcome to this new podcast of Calypten News, where we dive deep into the background of groundbreaking news from around the world. Let's begin.
July 5, 2025. On Japan's remote Tokara Islands, the ground hasn't stopped shaking for 2 weeks. Over 900 earthquakes, one so violent, residents struggle to stand. It feels like it's always shaking, one told Reuters. This is Japan, a nation where living on the edge isn't a metaphor. I'm Sarah, and this is Focal Point. Today we'll discuss why earthquakes and tsunamis own Japan's destiny, and how it fights back. Why Japan is a tectonic time bomb. Picture this: 4 colossal tectonic plates, Pacific, Philippine, Eurasian, North American, grinding beneath the seabed like gears in a broken clock. Along the Japan Trench and Nankai Trough, one plate dives under another, building apocalyptic pressure. Remember 2011 Tohoku quake? A 9.1 magnitude monster that killed 15,000 and cost $235 billion. Scientists warn, this was just a preview. Right now, the Tokara swarm exposes Japan's nightmare, the Nankai Trough. Experts peg an 82% chance of a megaquake here within 30 years. If it rips? 298,000 dead. 2 trillion in ruins. Centuries before sensors, Japan listened to the earth. When the sea suddenly retreated, people ran to safe spots. Villagers scaled watchtowers, yagura, ringing bells to warn of tsunamis. And on hillsides, they left stone markers: do not build your homes below this point. But today, ancient wisdom battles modern myths. Last month, a viral manga falsely predicted a July 5 doomsday quake. Panic/tourism 11% overnight. Science dismissed it, but it revealed a new threat: digital dread in the age of aftershocks. Modern Japan races against time. How? A nervous system of 4,000 seismic stations. They detect P waves, the Earth's whisper, within 2 seconds. Enter the Earthquake Early Warning System, AI, that predicts tremors and triggers a nationwide alarm 60 seconds before disaster. Your phone shrieks, TVs flash red, bullet trains slam brakes, and nuclear plants strain. This tech, 98.7% accurate since 2023, saved thousands in January's Noto Peninsula quake. Offshore, tsunami buoys and AI maps killer waves in real time. Drills are monthly. Evacuation routes are sacred passages to safe locations. Vigilance equals survival in this island since ancient times. But resilience has a price. Tohoku cost $235 billion. A Nankai megaquake might cost $2 trillion, Japan's entire annual GDP. So the nation bets in $12 billion for seawalls taller than pyramids. Government-backed catastrophe bonds spread risk globally. Factories are being upgraded with earthquake-resistant systems that help them safely ride out the shaking by absorbing or isolating the seismic energy. Yet the cracks show. Coastal towns empty out. National debt soars past 260% of GDP. After failing to cut quake deaths by 80% by 2014, Japan's 2025 plan demands radical change, annual disaster audits, quadrupled tsunami towers, and mandatory drills for all 23 million coastal residents. Kyoto seismologist Norio Maki puts it bluntly, the next decade is our last chance to prevent a genocide. Tokara's tremors will fade, but Japan's truth remains. It can never escape the quakes. Yet in that acceptance lies its power. Where ancient stones meet AI sirens. Where $2 trillion threats forge global exports of resilience tech. As the plates keep grinding, Japan does too, building, warning, adapting. Not because it can win. Because it must. For the millions living on the edge, the fight isn't just about surviving the next quake. It's about outlasting the extinction.
If you liked today's episode, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment which story you want us to cover next. Until next time.